As I told you that me, I'm not a jealous man. I'm not feeling so bad for anybody who is coming up. As I told you that I don't want to be the only champion in Uganda, but I'm looking forward to see that so many youth who are in Uganda, those who left the game, those who are willing to join kickboxing, that they should coming over because the game is moving forward. We are looking forward to even push kickboxing in schools to see that we have even school championship at the end of the day. So why am I saying that? Kickboxing is good. At the same time, we have even brought you the ladies. The reason we have brought you ladies in this game, ladies, they are real fighters. If you want to see, ladies, they have entered in everything in the world. You find ladies, they are askaris. Ladies, they are in they are in the parliament. Why not ladies to be in kickboxing? If we are looking forward to promote kickboxing as the game, so we have to pull also the ladies. Ladies, they are good fighters. You are going to see the ladies. You are going to wonder. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy because my prayer has become true. My prayer has come to pass that kickboxing is the game of people. I want to tell that kickboxing is so fun. I heard that this one of my brothers who fought just last weekend. I was so impressed. That shows that the game of kickboxing is growing. I'm not here to insult anyone or to provoke anyone. So my aim is to encourage these guys who are coming up. And I want to tell that even if you lose, you don't need to give up. The game of kickboxing, today you win, tomorrow you lose. So what I want to tell those who lost, let them train so hard. There is a chance for them to become the champions. And I want to tell those who won that the battle is standing. When you become a champion, everyone looks at you. Like me, everyone was coming up to fight Gola Moses. I'm not refusing to fight anyone, but we have a class. What I want to tell the people to understand that we have a class and level. Gola Moses is on the higher level of kickboxing. I'm not going to come down and again start fighting these upcoming fights. That means I don't wish them well. What I want is that to give them courage. In fact, they have to look for me, and I give them more skills for them to do their kickboxing as well. And what I want to tell all the sponsors and the promoters, let them look at kickboxing. As far as the game is concerned, in Uganda here, what is leading is kickboxing. We have so many games, but what is on the map is kickboxing. And I want to tell you that Gola Moses is moving forward. My fans, the people, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the fight is on 9th December. Start counting down nowadays. Because I'm not paid for overtime. So somebody should look for money to pay me. Because I don't want to take this Angaria Man event for the 3 rounds. I want to tell you that we have super undercards who are going to have to be on this fight. The reason why we are having super undercards, we want the people to have the fun. We want the people to know that the game, real kickboxing is a game. People were calling me yesterday about kickboxing. They're waiting for my fight. So what am I saying? I'm a hot temper. Anybody who is standing that you want to fight Gola Moses, let him know. Gola Moses has a story. Gola Moses has where he's coming from. I've passed through fire to become a champion. Being a champion, I told you don't just need to come from the Kasepiti and fight. Being a champion, you don't need to become a discotheque boy. You pass through the fire. I've been training and I'm training. The reason I'm training so hard is that to show the world that Uganda is not a joking subject. As I told you, we are warriors here. We are fighters. We are going to beat all these men in the world. What I'm looking for is to bring the fights here so that also other Ugandans, they have the chance. Because the president told me they wanted me to go and fight this fight in Hungarian. But the president told them, no, we have the big support in Uganda. The reason why the game is coming here is that to promote also other young boys and girls who are coming up. So what I want to tell you that I thank you people so much for supporting the game, for supporting Gola Moses. I came in to push kickboxing. As I told you, the kickboxing has been here for more than 20 years. Yes, but now we are proving kickboxing as a game of people. Kickboxing, it has 2 things. We have the fight and we have the entertaining. So for the entertaining, I think kickboxing is a nice thing to watch. You can't imagine seeing someone being punched and he's moving around, you know. So what am I saying that as far as entertaining is concerned, kickboxing is a very good entertaining game. And we are looking forward to move kickboxing all over the country. And we are taking kickboxing up country. As I told you that we want even to start pushing kickboxing under the school level. So that because at the end of the day, Gola Moses is going to leave the kickboxing. I'm remaining with 3 fights to reach at the world champion. Because if I reach to the world champion, I mean, that's when I feel that, yeah, I have reached on the top. So I'm looking forward to see these young boys who are coming to be the world champion. Like I'm so happy to this man who won the fight, Titus Tugume. I'm so happy for him. Titus Tugume has been in the field of kickboxing. These are the boys whom we have been fighting with them. We have been representing the country with these boys. So I'm really so happy. What I want to tell Titus Tugume, that the battle has just started. Let him train so much. And let him be so careful. Because we have even some boys who are, they call them, abavubuka tubayita batya. Abavubuka abali babula abavadda ku mugendo. Kati bala aba kickboxing agenda aterera bavayo okumucyankalanya. Mulimu kati oyina n'okulya kati juzi nawulira mbu omuvubuka ow'ebwayisi. Kati omuntu w'ebwayisi olwanyisa otya Gola Moses of Uganda. Can you imagine? Nze emaze ebbanga nga mwani za kickboxing. Era kickboxing yono ayinamu standard, ayinamu stake. Ffe bwe twali tutandika kickboxing twatandikira mu level gye bayita amateur. Amateur ye muntu gy'atandikira. Omuntu buli bwayita mu amateur kitegeezebwa nti ava wansi eri ng'omwana bw'atandika okuva mu nassale. Toyinza kubeera ng'oli mu nassale n'oyagala okukyalenyinga omuntu ali ku Makerere. Golola ndi Makerere saabwe. So kyenjagala okubagamba nti tukyayina championship ezigenda maaso. Uganda kickboxing nga body eyina tetuyita league zibeerawo buli mwaka nga zitandikira mu amateur. Tulina ebikopo, tulina abaana okuva mu weight esooka wansi paka mu weight eyawaggulu. Nze nsuubira omuntu eyandivuddeyo ayagala okwenganganga Gola Moses yandibadde ayina record. Gola Moses, I'm a man of record. I have 17 fights. I have 13 knockouts. So you can't tell me you just jump from there, from Bwaise, and you say you want to fight Gola Moses. So what I'm saying that kickboxing is not a game of street. We are looking forward to change the game of kickboxing. Kickboxing emabega yali amanyiddwa nga ow'abantu abataasoma. Kickboxing emabega yali amanyiddwa nga ow'abantu abayaaye. Gola Moses siri muyaaye. Ekibiina kye tukutambuza mu kickboxing si kibiina kiyaaye. Kyova olaba nti kiseera tutandike okukakasa abantu. Ate njagala nnyo n'abaana abasajja bannamawulire mutandike okukakasa abo abantu. Oli ejja n'agamba Gola Moses ono olabika ow'ebwayisi olabika omutidde. Nze ntandika atya okutya omuntu w'ebwayisi?
When you are class above.
Abe class above. Ekintu kyenjagala bannayuganda bategeere abalina kye batategeera nti kickboxing tumutambulira mu standard. Tulina gye bayita amateur. Ate mu amateur qualifying tulina abaana betu nze natandikira mu amateur. Waliwo abazannye nga bakubwa nga tebafunangako wini. Ajja n'atuuka ku final ne bamukuba. Tulina abaana kati abali super. Era bwe mugenda kulaba abaana abazannya kickboxing. Naye ojja n'owulira omuntu abamu kati njja ne basoma mawulire the toy boy want to fight you. How can a toy boy start fighting the champion? The Gola Moses of Uganda. The man who kicked Liver Nile out of Uganda. Don't you know that I'm the reason why Sahara Desert exists? So, what am I trying to say? Coming back to the 9th fight. This fight is going to happen at Hotel Africana. I want to tell you that, I did kick the other man very well. Some of the, I was reading the paper and somebody said that Gola Moses went and got someone from Arua Park. That thing squeezed me so much. So that means that if they say that we go on picking people like that, that means even Titus Tugume, the man he fought, he picked him from Owino. That was not the man he fought. He picked that man from Owino. So what am I saying that? Kickboxing is a true game. I've passed through the Ugandan kickboxing. If you want to know about Gola Moses, go to the federation. They will tell you who is Gola Moses. So what we are looking forward is